To make your word cloud, go to wordart.com, click Create Now, click Import, write in the words that your students gave you. Let's say they were doing it on water. Click Import Words. Then click Visualize. You can change the shape of the cloud by going to Shapes and selecting a different shape, then clicking Visualize. You can also change the font, or the layout, or the style. But all you really need to do is the basic word cloud. Then click Print and choose Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF. Save. Save it on your desktop. And there you have your word cloud saved on your desktop.